Looking to buy Robux on your mobile phone? In this quick Roblox tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to buy Robux on Android or iPhone using the Roblox app. First, open the Roblox app and make sure you're signed into your Roblox account. Once you're on the home screen, tap the Robux icon at the top of the app. Now you'll see multiple Roblox Robux packages available for purchase. Simply choose the amount of Robux you want to buy. After that, tap on the price button next to your selected package. Your mobile payment screen will open automatically. You can use available payment methods like Google Play Balance, debit card, credit card, depending on your device and region. Now select your preferred payment method and tap on Buy or Confirm Purchase. Once the purchase is successful, the Robux will instantly be added to your Roblox account balance. And that's how to buy Robux on mobile easily. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials, Roblox tips, and mobile gaming guides.